Well, some new developments in the college admission scandal. A judge has put the sentencing for 2 of the 15 parents involved on pause this month. Now, lawyers for some of the parents are now arguing that no one lost any money as a result of their actions, and some schools actually gained funds thanks to the donations. Yahoo Finance's Alexis Keenan is here with more. Hi, Alexis.
Hi, good morning.
These 2 parents, by the way, right off the bat, I have to ask, are these 2 the 2 that we have been talking about the whole time, the Full House celebrity?
So we don't know. The Wall Street Journal doesn't identify which parents they are. They say they're the first of 15. However, the sentencing keeps getting pushed forward into the future, so could be one, could be another. Though this is problematic because the sentencing guidelines, right, the sentence that you face as a defendant is based on monetary losses that are sustained by the victims. And in this case, the prosecutors have said that it's the universities who are the victims. And there are plenty of arguments out there where there are other victims, right? There are class actions by students. There are students who say that their degrees are no longer worth as much as they thought they would be because the university had participated purportedly in the scam. So because the universities may have gained money in this instance, the argument by these defense attorneys is that there's no financial loss here. And you know what? If you bring that in the sentencing guidelines, that monetary supposed loss down to 0, there's nothing to tie the number of, either months in prison to or restitution.
I hate that USC is involved in all of this, but I know. It's quite embarrassing. But there are reports also, emails showing that USC was complicit and actually said that they had bargained certain amounts of money with some of these donors. So that being said, weren't the universities complicit in all of this? And how could we say that they are the victims?
Yeah, well, that's the argument that the prosecutor has made. We're stuck with that.
Yeah.
And, just a reminder, if you want to get enraged about this case and at least this additional complication, I just want to go back and read the mission statement, the summary from the 50C3 application. That's the nonprofit, the fake nonprofit that was established by the ringleader, William Singer. Here's what it says they were efforting to do. It says the Key Worldwide Foundation endeavors to provide education that would normally be unattainable to underprivileged students. Our contributions to major athletic university programs may help to provide placement to students that may not have access under normal channels.
Wow.
Yeah, I couldn't resist bringing up that part of this story, just to remind everybody what we're talking about here. Hundreds of thousands of dollars spent by parents of these students to get them into these universities, and also in some cases possibly displace not only places in the university, but also in athletic programs because of these bribes that were paid to coaches at these universities.
So does this then set the precedent that if someone commits the crime of bribery, right, these white collar crimes, but that no one really is financially harmed, that all of a sudden you just get a slap on the wrist, just you get probation, you don't have to serve jail time?
That is a concern. Now, there are 5 different judges that are assigned to these cases, and one of the cases has already gone forward against the sailing coach at Stanford. He did not get any jail time. He got 1 day. It was deemed already served, and so that is a concern. The judges are aware that this could set a precedent for sure.
All right, Alexis Keenan, thanks so much.
You're welcome.